Hey guys, welcome to Low Boost Entertainment. My name is Ricardo and today I want to show you guys my daily driver. You've seen this car before, it's been on the road Atlanta, and now I want to show you guys an overview of the car. I got some mods on there, so before I show you the mods and all that stuff, let's rewind and show you when I first got the car, and then we can fast forward back to this. So let me show you. So I bought this car from West Palm Beach, Florida. I drove it 9 hours back. It was a smooth ride. Car was pretty good. I brought it home and I put it on a lift. And Ricky from RB Racing came over and he did all the maintenance for me. He did the timing chain, water pump, oil filter hosing, all the stuff you need to get done. And he was showing me how the timing chain works and all that stuff. So he was assembling and putting it together. He also did the bearings and changed all the bearings, make sure everything is good. If you notice, you see that oil pump, it looks kind of different, right? So we end up getting the F80 oil pan, oil pump. It have 2 pickups on there, so the car won't have starvation. We also installed intercooler. Alright guys, since you guys already caught up on what I did to the car, alright, hold up. So I recorded this video a while back and I end up installing the 4-point cage, the racing seat and steering wheel on my phone. So I'm going to insert it so you guys can see it. Alright guys, there you go. All done. Let me show you in the interior now. Seats is all in. Cage all nicely done. And of course, JQ Works steering wheel. So can't wait to hit the track. Alright, since we are caught up, let's continue the video. Let's go over what left to do to the car and my plans and what I want to do with it. So let me show you. Alright guys, this is it. This is the 4 Series 335 N55 engine. Let's talk about what I did to the car. I got these tints from Lemonex. I wrapped it. It came out pretty good. I really like how it looks. Let's talk about what I did to the engine. So far what I did charge pipe, intercooler, downpipe. I do the basic mods and I have MHD tune on this car. I believe the car made 350 to the wheels. Let's talk about brakes. This is what I did. I bought an eBay router. This is stock caliper with HPS arc pads. It's really good for the streets and it's also good for the track. It's a high performance brake pad and it gives a little bit of dust, but not that much. Also, tires I'm running RS 9595 RS Federals. These are 18 by 10 Bimaral wheels. They're very light. I believe they're around 18 pounds. Love these wheels. Guys, let's talk about exhaust. Previous owner, I believe, cut the muffler, so I need to put the exhaust on here. I had installed a rear diffuser, also rear lips. So basically guys, I did a lot of work to the car so far, so I'm hoping I can do more on the track and learn to drive a lot better and see how far it goes. Alright guys, since I show you the overview of the car, I'm hoping to do global time attack, do a lot of weekend driving as well as daily driving, weekend, all that good stuff. So it's not going to be like a crazy track car, it's just like a weekend warrior and I can go to the track or whatnot. Also, if you like this video, subscribe, give me a thumbs up and I'm out.